Hey you guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new here today for the first part of the kitchen makeover. We are officially commencing house projects, decorating, and all that good stuff. So today we're going to be doing some DIY open shelving for the kitchen. But before we get into that, I did just want to go over the plans again so you guys know what to expect in the next upcoming weeks, in case you missed last week's video where I told you guys all the plans and shared my decor haul for this video. But yeah, so basically these shelves are the first part of the kitchen makeover. I really wanted to fill this blank wall that I showed you guys in the beginning with some open shelving, and then we are also going to be adding a chandelier, not a chandelier, a pendant light above the island. We're gonna have to move some lighting and do a whole DIY project. My husband's gonna do that with the circular saw, and we're gonna work it out. And then we are also adding a clear cabinet door to one of my cabinets to test out that kind of look, and we're going to be decorating in there and redecorating the countertops and all that good stuff. So definitely make sure you guys are following me on Instagram, because I will post updates there and I post polls there and stuff. So definitely let me know, because there are some things that I am asking you guys about, like whether I should do a gold or black pendant light and whatever the case is. So definitely make sure you're following me over there. So now let's jump straight in. I'm just sanding the pieces of wood that I got from Home Depot, and I just want to say that this project was a little over $100, if not exactly $100. Super easy, super beginner friendly, because I'm doing it. I am not a huge DIYer, but this was something that I definitely thought I could take on, because I have sanded and also stained wood before. So that's all that this requires. All I did was purchase a 16-foot piece of lumber from Home Depot. It is 2x10, in case you're wondering. I wanted nice thick shelves, and then I actually had it cut at Home Depot into 3 equal pieces of 64 inches each. So if you don't have a saw or anything like that, don't worry, you can get your wood cut right at Home Depot. And then I just got this stain. This stain is golden oak, and all you do is literally sand it down till it's smooth. You can buy the smoother lumber, but I just got the pressure treated one that needed a little bit more sanding to be smooth. And so all I did was take a rag and wipe my stain on it. I have tried staining with a brush, but I find like you have more control with the rag on how dark or light you want it. And I was trying to go for the same exact color of my island stools, and you'll see that later on. But yeah, super easy, you guys, and again, super inexpensive. This piece of wood was about $45. The stain was about $10, and then the brackets that I got from Amazon, and I'll have everything linked below, was $40. So again, if it's not exactly $100, it's a little tiny bit over $100. Pushing the past again, no. Also, after the coating of the stain, I also did a coat of polyurethane. There is a spray to make it easier, but again, I used a little can like this. I didn't record it because I ended up doing this like a little bit late at night, and as you can see, the sunlight was already going down. So by the time these dried and I was doing the poly coat, it was no longer light outside, so I couldn't record it, or it would have been terrible quality. But you guys get the gist of it. Now my husband's just going to be putting up the brackets, and we're just doing the measurements here. Basically what I did was measure the wall, and I think it was about 93 inches, and then the shelves were 64 inches, so you subtract the length of your shelves, and then you divide it by 2 to see how much space is going to be on either side. And here he is, he's just drilling holes. He did find the beam, so he tried to put most of the screws in the beam, but the shelf bracket was really thick, so 2 of them ended up being just in the drywall, and 2 screws ended up being inside the beam, which made it really sturdy. And yeah, I didn't record a lot of this process because it's boring and you guys just want to see the shelves going up and the decorating, right? Don't worry, we are getting there very soon, as we put these shelves up. But I did want to take this time to introduce myself in case you're new here. My name is Josie, and I'm a wife and a mom to 1-year-old baby girl. And on my channel, I do obviously a ton of DIYs, decorating, cleaning, homemaking, all that good stuff. And we just moved into this house, so there's a ton of room makeovers coming your way. So I would love it if you would join the family, hit that red subscribe button, and enjoy what's to come with me. So yeah guys, now we're just gonna be styling the shelves, which is my favorite part. I'm gonna let you guys enjoy everything. I did put out a decor haul right before this. I'll try to link it down below. I put it out on Friday, letting you guys know where everything is from. Everything was basically from Hobby Lobby and a few things from Home Goods. I shopped their table decor section at Hobby Lobby, and all their table decor was 50% off at the time. And then I also shopped their wooden section in the spring aisle, and that was 40% off. So literally everything on here was basically 40 to 50% off. And then I got a few pieces from Home Goods, like this eat sign that I'm about to put there, and the mortar and pestle, and a couple of things. But again, if you want to know exactly where everything is from, go ahead and check out that decor haul. And I'm gonna let you guys enjoy now, because this is my favorite part. This is my first time styling any type of open shelving, and I am so excited. And also everything that I am putting on here, if I can find it, will be linked below.
All night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one, but baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard. Of you deserve.
So this is part of the few things that are not from Hobby Lobby or Home Goods. The two table books, the Magnolia table book and the Aisha Curry one, I got off of Amazon, and I love buying books over there, table decor books or cookbooks, because you can also get them used and you save like $5 on them. And then that letterboard is from Five Below, so I only got it for $5. So definitely check your Five Below, because letterboards can be expensive at other places.
Let me for a while. I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one.
The last thing that I'm going to be decorating with, that is also not from Home Goods or Target, is my caraway pots. I wanted kind of a lived-in look, and they are beautiful for both decor and function. I've been sharing with you guys these pots ever since they sent them to me. And again, as always, I have a 10% discount code in my description if you're interested. But yeah guys, that's it. So let's just quickly look at the before, and then let's look at the after. You guys definitely let me know what you guys think down below, and stay to the end if you want to be a part of voting what's next.
My mind's accelerating when I'm thinking about the good times that we had. My friend said you were overrated. I always told them they couldn't understand the things you did to me. You showed me what it's like to fall in love. Only you could tell me.
Alright you guys, so we just finished. It's looking so good. Like I said, this took me a while to get to this finished project. I just didn't feel like I needed to show you guys me trying a bunch of different ways. But guys, I cannot wait. Just like imagine, obviously I gotta take down all my Easter decor, and I'm gonna be redecorating everything to a nice neutral to kind of match that vibe. But imagine with the pendant light and then the clear cabinet there, it's finally all come together. I did match the shelves to my stools, or tried my best, but this is everything I didn't use, which I'm kind of bummed about, but I love the way it turned out. I didn't use the basket, that this frame, which I can use somewhere else because it's pretty neutral, and then I didn't use this lamp. I still have 2 towels that I'm gonna use for the dishwasher and stove. I have some canisters, which I'm not mad about because I can just store things in. Again, this is decor that could go in a bedroom, living room, wherever. This, I'm thinking I could use it on my tier tray. And then I just had that plate that wasn't expensive, so I'm not bummed out about that. But yeah, guys, this is how it turned out. I think I might get like some black racks to put like potatoes and stuff like in, or let me know if I should leave it like this, or if not, get like an iron bar to like hang the rest of my, I don't know. I might just leave it like this, or let's see how everything looks with the pendant lighting and the clear cabinet door, and I'll see if it's really finished. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoy this. Not the very next video, maybe in like a week or 2, I'll be putting out the second part. So definitely subscribe if you're not already, and turn on that notification bell so that you don't miss that, because once we put the pendant lighting and everything, and we're gonna be redecorating the countertops as well, guys, it's gonna look so good. So definitely hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
About the times we had, and I wanted you to stay. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold you.